Right? The next video that I'm going to do is a fraction times a fraction. So throughout the video, I may ask you to pause the video and try it yourself to see if you can get it. So here we have 3/8 times 1/2. Okay? And now, first what I want to do, I want to solve this symbolically to see, all right, what am I going to get? So 3 times 1 is 3, 8 times 2 is 16. So my answer should be 3/16. Now, with a fraction times a fraction, you need to start out by having one whole. So I want to know, all right, what is 3/8 of 1/2? So here's my half. And it doesn't matter which way you shade it, because it will come out the same answer. So there's my half, okay? And I want to know, okay, what is 3/8 of this half? So if I were to divide this into 8s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, what is 3/8 of the half? Now, looking at this, here's 3/8 of my half chunk, okay? So this says 3/8. Now, if you look, there are 3 out of the half that is split up. So that's going to be your numerator. So these 3 that are shaded, or double shaded, are going to be your numerator. Now the denominator, where is the 16 coming from? Well, if you look at my whole, if I continue this out, so this is like a sandwich, and I continue it out, my whole entire sandwich is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pieces, okay? So if I want to know what is 3/8 of a half, okay, I am looking at, so what is 3/8 of 1/2? I need to say, okay, out of the whole, what section is going to be double shaded? Because if I shade down and I shade across, whatever overlaps is going to be your answer. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try 2/3 times 3/4. Okay, now symbolically, this is going to come out to 6/12 or 1/2. So let's see how we can get to a half or 6/12. We're going to start out by my bar. I'm going to shade 2/3. Now, I want to know what is 3/4 of 2/3 or 2/3 of 3/4. It does not matter. Okay, so you're going to take this bar, shade it 2/3, and then you're going to take it the other way. Because this is fourths, you're going to divide it into fourths, and it's 3/4, so you're going to shade 3/4. Okay, now it's kind of like saying this. What is 2/3 of 3/4? So if you actually look at like this, okay, if you look at my model like this, here's 2/3 that's shaded, or sorry, what is 2/3? Oh yeah, here's 3/4. Okay, if you see the 3/4 shaded, and if you look at the 3/4 that I shaded, I chunked it into 2/3 and I shaded that 2/3 section. So I want to know what is this 2/3 of my 3/4. And out of the whole entire piece, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 pieces, And the ones that are double shaded are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 12, which is equal to 1/2. Okay. Let's try another one. Okay, last one. If I have 1/8 times 1/4, I want you to solve this symbolically first. So we have 1/32. Go ahead and pause the video, see if you can do it. All right, here we go. This is like saying, what is 1/8 of 1/4? Okay, so if I draw my bar, okay, and it says, what is 1/8 of a 4th? So if I draw, here's my 4th, and I say, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think that's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Okay. So what is 1/8 of the 1/4? Well, there's one section that's colored, but we got to figure out of how many sections. So if I take this and I continue that line, out of my whole, I have 32 sections. So it's 1 out of 32. Now, if you want to talk about the double shaded part, if I shade 1/8 this way and 1/4 this way, the part that's double shaded is my answer. Okay, we're going to do one more and then we'll be done with this. Let's say I have 2/5 times 1/4. Okay, this is saying what is 2/5 of 1/4. So here's my box. So what is 2/5 of a 4th? So if I draw my box, here's my 4th, and I want to know what 2/5 of that would be. So if I look, if I divide this into fifths, 2/5 of a 4th would be 2 out of the 5. Okay, so that 2 that's double shaded is going to be my numerator. However, I have to look at my entire bar to figure out my denominator. So my entire bar is chopped up into 20 sections. So 2 out of the 20 are double shaded. Now, I could continue this out if I shaded 2/5 this way and 1/4 this way. It's the spot right here that's double shaded, and that would be equal to 1/10. Okay, I hope this helps. Have a great day.